many donuts does it take to feed 4 children?
Like so much.
They're each getting 2. Put some cream cheese on there and banana, and that's it. Good morning. You gonna say good morning? Leah, you gonna say good morning? You ready? All right. Let's go tackle the world. Get your sister hand.
Good
Ready?
morning.
1, 2, 3, go! Ah!
Yay!
Mom, I think Jason had.
This is my first time using my travel mug. All ready to go. Let's go, guys. Come on. Get your bag. Everybody got their lunch? Get your lunch? Got your lunch?
Yes.
Yes, who? Got your lunch?
Yes.
Jackson?
Yes.
Got your lunch? Backpack?
Yes.
All right, let's go. Okay, guys, don't mind the little princesses. I'm trying to figure out whether or not we should switch the TV from here to where hubby's sitting, and I just want change. I don't know. Marcelo doesn't like it like this, which I agree. It doesn't look right because kind of makes the space feel kind of closed off, especially with my office being right here. Once I get a laptop, this is gonna be gone. Yes, good morning. I love your pretty dress. It's really pretty. I'm coming. So I'm gonna make him breakfast, and while I'm making breakfast, he's gonna switch this over. But he actually wants the breakfast before he start working on this, because then I have to switch this decor over here, and then I feel like now I'm actually going to have to put up drapes because there's nothing going to be on this wall, and I want him to take down that camera because we won't really use it anymore. The dining area is fine. I just need my console table and everything is good. But the next clip you guys see should be of You're so rude.
I did nothing.
You lifted up your leg and farted.
I did not.
Anyways, so I moved this, and I realized that the carpet right here is so much more plush. This is flat. This is one of the reasons why we're getting rid of all the carpets, because can you go change your pants? All you hear is squish, 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 squish.
Mommy, this morning you have
So
a
annoying.
Jaxson sweatpants. I thought those girls gave us a gift.
That's mine.
So yeah, so all this flooring is gonna be ripped out and gone. It's just we're waiting on our finances to get better before we can do all of that. So it's gonna be one whole continuation of flooring all throughout. We could have done the kitchen a long time ago, but we're like, why do the kitchen and then having to do the carpet and all that? So we're just gonna wait on everything. So let's get started, babe. Madison having her breakfast. What are you having? She has some tater tots and some grapes. Was it good? Huh? I need to wash the girls' hair today, but that's later on. Yummy. Is it good? You want some apple juice? Yes. All you doing is licking the ketchup. Eat the tater tot, mommy. I hate giving her ketchup because she just licks it. Good girl. Guys, I need y'all.
I'm gonna pass out. I'm so hungry.
Babe, stop.
You're hungry.
He's not hungry.
Yes, he is.
He's not hungry.
Yes, he is.
I need you guys to come pick up just a little bit of trash off the floor.
And some toys.
This actually looks better with the couches being like that. It looks more open. Like,
Yeah, it look better without nothing.
we can't live like that, Rob. We cannot live like that. Okay, so we're making breakfast. I already have tater tots, and Marcelo fried up some plantains, and now I'm doing pancakes, and we're gonna have eggs. Okay, so we got the TV turned around. I think I'm gonna move this to Maddie's room, and I wanted to put the tree over here, but the tree is way too heavy and it's loaded with ornaments, and I felt like if I was to move it over there, something is gonna get broken. So I'm gonna pull it out, put it here, more in the center, but then I'm gonna block this little piece right here. So we shall see as we go. Yeah, so the TV's there. I left that tobacco basket there, and then I put the farmhouse sign in the middle of that, and then what I do is I put it on the nail, but I put the nail so far away so that if this little space right here is not even, you can easily push it over so that it's, you know, centered. So that's what I did over there. Okay, so I ended up putting that there, the tree here, this couch here, and it's more space for the kids for when they're watching TV, they're laying down. They like to lay a lot with blankets on the floor, and it's just more open. I mean, Maddie's done left her trash there. And then you move on over into the dining space right here, and yeah. So hopefully I will switch it around when this tree is missing. I wanted to put the Christmas tree from here to this space because I did go ahead and move my desk up to Maddie's room, and I wanted to put that tree here, but I don't want to mess with the tree because it's loaded. I was fortunate that my husband and the boys were able to move it from here to here without breaking anything. So if I was to go and mess with it to bring it all the way over here, I feel like they're going to break something. I did manage to clean the carpet, but it's still flat. It's just the grade of carpet that they used in our home when they built it. It's just horrible, And like I stated, we are changing out the carpet to engineer hardwood. So that's going to be taking place early sometime next year. But anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for hanging out with us today. Say hi. How was school?
It's the only.
Want to end the vlog? Want to end the vlog? What's your name?
Jaxson.
Jackson. What's your name? Jordan. What's your name? Jason. There you go. Met my three boys. They know Destiny and Maddie. They just don't know the boy's name. Thank you.
They do know.
Huh?
And the whole thing, they didn't know our names?
They don't know your names because I don't show you guys on a regular.
They do know our names.
They do know your name. That's right. They do know your names. I'm sorry. I apologize. What do you want to say? Bye?
Bye.
Want to say bye?
Blah, blah.
All right.